So how can you cool down your iPhone? And let me show you how it works or some things you can do. Let's get started. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing as there are plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to help you out. Okay, so there are some obvious things like make sure that you are not in the direct sunlight, or you can move your phone into a cooler environment to like cool it down, right? So that's like something that you can of course use. But when it comes to the software and like settings tips, there are, of course, another set of options you have within the software department. First of all, make sure you close down the applications which are like very intensive. That includes some 3D gamings or, the exporting of videos like Video Editor, Photoshop, and those kind of apps which require a lot of CPU. Just make sure you close those if you want to quickly cool down the iPhone. That's something that you can do, of course. Outside of that, make sure that you, of course, also disable the background app refresh, because inside of the settings, in general, you can find the background app refresh, and it just means that some apps can still be active in the background even though you are not really using them at the moment, and that might not be a good idea for the battery, for the CPU, and for the temperature of the iPhone as well. So you can do that to prevent the iPhone to be overheating, and you can cool it down that way. Another tip would be to not use it while charging at the same time, or at least don't be like very intensively using while connected to a charger, as this can also bump up the temperature of the iPhone. Then of course, like the brightness, just make sure it's like down a little bit, because that might also just heat up the phone. Some general tips like that. But at the end of the day, make sure that your phone is also running the latest version of iOS. Inside of the general section and software update, just install if there is something new that just, becomes available. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one in the future, and I'll see you later.